What's up guys, it's me Geek. So the Huawei Honor Note 10 is one of the best flagship phablet of 2018. It beat the crap out of Galaxy Note 9. Who want 9 when we have 10? Yeah, definitely 10. Jump to the screen. Just type Huawei Honor Note 10 and then go to the GSM Arena. I mean, look at the 6.95 inch, 8 GB of RAM, 5,000 milliamp hour battery. I mean, this is a absolutely beauty, to be honest with you. Look at the beauty of it. Look at the beauty of it. I mean, this is one of the best tablet ever. I mean, one of the best smartphone tablet or a phablet, whatever you wanna call. I mean, look at the beauty of it. I mean, look here. This, you see, is bigger than the Nintendo Switch also. You see, it's bigger than the Nintendo Switch. I mean, yes, definitely it's one of the best phablet of 2018. It was me, Geek. Make sure to subscribe and bye.